In this video, we'll show you how to check if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. There are a few signs you can look for to figure out if you've been blocked. I'll demonstrate this using a test account. To start, I'm going to block the current number from another device. Now I'll restart WhatsApp on my phone. Once we're back on the chat screen, the first thing you'll notice is that I can't see the user's online status or their last seen activity. However, this could also happen if they've turned off their last seen status or just disabled the setting. Next, try sending them a message. If you send a message like saying hello, you'll notice only one tick appears. This means it hasn't been delivered, which usually indicates that you've been blocked. But remember, this could also happen if their phone is off or they don't have an internet connection at the moment. Another thing you can check is their profile picture. Try tapping on it. If you've been blocked, the profile picture will disappear. When you go back to the chat screen, it will be gone there too. If you're not blocked, their profile picture will remain visible. These are the main indicators that you've been blocked on WhatsApp. You can keep an eye on these over the next couple of days. If your messages continue not being delivered, it's likely that you've been blocked. I hope this helps. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips.